Hello and welcome to our Software Ideas Modeler tutorial series. In today's episode, we're going to transform conceptual data types into specific database types. This feature is incredibly useful for data modeling, ensuring that your diagrams are not only conceptually accurate, but also technically precise for your database requirements. Let's dive in. Imagine we have a data model with 5 entities: enrollment, class, student, teacher, and department. Initially, these entities are set with conceptual data types. Our goal now is to refine these to match the types used in our specific database. First, right-click anywhere on the empty space within the diagram editor. This action opens a context menu. From the context menu, select Properties. This will open the Diagram Properties dialog. In the Diagram Properties dialog, navigate to the General tab. Here, you'll find the Typeset field. Click on the ellipsis button on the right side of this field. This opens another dialog showcasing various predefined typesets for common database servers. Browse through the available typesets to find the one that matches your database. If you're not seeing it immediately, start typing its name. The list will filter accordingly, making it easier to find what you need. Once you've found it, select it and click OK. Back in the Diagram Properties dialog, you'll see the new typeset now selected. Confirm it. Upon confirmation, Software Ideas Modeler will prompt you if you want to convert all types in the current diagram. Click Yes. Voila! Your types are now converted from conceptual to the specific database types. Some types may need further adjustments, like specifying the length of varchar attributes. You can easily modify these manually as per your requirements. In our model, relationships between entities were initially absent. If your entity names follow standard naming conventions, you can leverage the Auto-Resolve Relationships feature. Navigate to the Review tab on the ribbon, and in the Helpers group, click on Auto-Resolve Relationships. This feature will automatically establish relationships between your entities based on naming patterns. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to ensure your data models in Software Ideas Modeler align perfectly with your specific database requirements. Remember, a well-structured data model is key to effective database design and management. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Software Ideas Modeler. Happy modeling!